Welcome to our channel. This is DHW's Tests channel. The Galaxy S10 Plus is a flagship in every sense of the word with an appropriate price tag. There is really very little to critique about this near perfection of a device, from design, screen camera and performance being almost unparalleled. This Galaxy S10 Plus is a pleasure to own around this price range. Premium flagship from Samsung. Display and camera. The stylish Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus comes with a curved 6.4-inch Quad HD Plus Super AMOLED display having 1440 by 3040 pixels resolution and 526 ppi pixel density, which delivers unparalleled visuals. The aspect ratio of the display is 19:9 and the screen is protected by a Gorilla Glass V5. On the camera department, the S10 Plus gets a 12MP plus 12MP plus 16MP triple rear lenses that takes care of the photography and videography. There is a dual front camera setup of 10MP and 8MP shooters with LED flash. The cameras shoot phenomenal DSLR level photos. Storage and configuration. The Galaxy S10 Plus stocks a 128GB RAM, which is huge to keep the files and data of the users and is expandable up to 512GB via microSD card. The device is powered by two dual-core and a quad-core processor that runs at a speed of 2.73 GHz, 2.31 GHz and 1.95 GHz respectively. It is seated upon the flagship chip Exynos 9 9820 that is known for its powerful performance. Further getting an assist from AMOLED G76MP 12 and an 8GB RAM, the device can handle all the load without any lag. Battery and connectivity. The Galaxy S10 Plus stocks a 4,100 mAh lithium-ion battery with both fast charging and wireless charging on board. Battery lasts sufficiently long with normal usage on this device and charging it up is not a hassle at all. This is a dual